So first, open your Roblox app on your device. So tap the more icons. So usually it's a three dots at the bottom or top of the screen. Scroll down and find privacy and content restriction. Then tap it. Next, go to communication settings. Find the option for voice chat and turn it off to avoid any audio interference. After that, go back to your home screen and open your music app like Spotify, Apple Music, or etc. Once open, choose and play the music you want to listen to. Now go back to Roblox and select the game you want to play. While in game, open the settings menu, the gear icon, and look for music or volume settings and turn off in-game music or sounds so your background music is clear. And that's it. You can now play Roblox while listening to your favorite music in the background.